Hello to all you good people. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3 to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. And here are the top trending stories. Cryptocurrencies fall on first day of August. Bitcoin trades near $23,000. India's Infosys Finacle enters IFSCA's regulatory sandbox. Troubled Singaporean crypto lender Vauld wins 3-month moratorium from court. UK finance regulator announces stricter advertising regulations. Federico Clapis reveals himself to be mysterious NFT artist back. Hardware wallet maker Ledger in talks to raise additional $100 million. Monero's biggest mining pool to close on August 12th after XMR miners boycott. Europe dominates second quarter blockchain ventures deal, posts 25% growth. Now let's look at these stories in details. Cryptocurrencies slipped deeper into the red in evening trades on Monday, reflecting a subdued risk appetite amid an uncertain economic outlook cushioned by hopes of smaller Federal Reserve rate hikes later in the year. Bitcoin traded near $23,200 after climbing to $24,500 over the weekend. US stocks declined at the start of a new month of trading after key indices finished July with their best month since 2020. The broader market S&P 500 index fell 0.4% in early trades on Monday, while those for the Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 0.3%. The technology-focused Nasdaq 100 lost 0.3%. Federal funds futures, used by traders for making short-term investment decisions on Monday, showed a 21.5% probability that the Fed will raise its key interest rate to a range between 3.5% and 3.75% or higher by the end of this year, down from 45.7% a week ago. Treasury yields edged higher after falling in the aftermath of last week's Federal Reserve meeting. Investors turned cautious ahead of a slew of economic data, including non-farm payroll data, later this week. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $23,140, down 2.3% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded at around $1,650, down 3.3% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded lower. India-based Infosys Finacle has been accepted into the IFSCA regulatory sandbox framework to pilot its blockchain-based trade finance solution. During the first phase of the regulatory sandbox, Infosys Finacle will work with 6 banks: Federal Bank, HDFC Bank, HSBC, ICICI Bank, RBL Bank, and State Bank of India. The collaboration will primarily concentrate on the testing of the blockchain-based buyer's credit solution, which will provide short-term credit in foreign currency for import payments and trade finance transactions. This will serve as a precursor to the solution being available as a SaaS-based offering for banks servicing clients from GIFT City. GIFT City, or Gift City, is a planned business district in the state of Gujarat, India. It is a business destination being created to help companies working in financial services and technology-related fields. Finacle Trade will connect banks, corporations, and various trade partners, such as shipping companies, insurers, and customs agencies, on a unified distributed network enabling inter-organizational automation of trade finance processes. Embattled Coinbase-backed crypto lender Vauld has won a 3-month moratorium from the Singapore High Court to continue to explore its option and also protection from creditors against any legal proceedings. The firm now has until November 7 to explore its options. In early July, it was reported that Nexo has signed a term sheet to acquire 100% of Vauld. The court has also asked Vauld's creditors to form a committee. The troubled crypto lender owes over $400 million to its creditors, 90% of which originated from individual retail investor deposits. At the start of July, Vauld suspended all withdrawals, trading and deposits on its platform, having seen $198 million in withdrawals since June 12th. The company had previously said it was laying off 30% of its staff. The UK's financial regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), finalised stronger rules on 1st August to help combat misleading adverts related to high-risk investment products. These rules are likely to follow the same approach as those for other high-risk investments. Crypto remains high-risk, so people need to be prepared to lose all their money if they choose to invest in crypto assets. The companies that are authorizing and issuing advertisements must possess the necessary competence in order to comply with the stricter regulations for high-risk investments. They may occasionally also need to run checks to make sure that investors and customers are a good match. Certain investment incentives such as refer-a-friend bonuses will be banned and firms will need to use clearer and more prominent risk warnings. Federico Clapis, a digital artist using his Twitter ID, claimed himself to be Pac. Pac is a digital artist, cryptocurrency creator, and programmer. The identity of Pac had always remained anonymous. Federico Clapis may be Pac, as he himself has been known to use multiple identities for various projects. However, unlike Pac, he has been forthcoming and straightforward with his identity. He's famous in Italy for using various identities as a part of his performances. Although this is not the first time someone has claimed to be Pac, as after his latest project Carbon, in collaboration with multiple artists and celebrities, pop star Paris Hilton also claimed herself to be Pac. NFT collectors can't get enough of Pac's inventive NFT creations. Recent projects, Lost Poets and Merge Project have raised over $200 million. Hardware wallet maker Ledger is seeking an additional $100 million following its mammoth $380 million Series C round last year. The fresh funding will give the firm a higher valuation than the $1.5 billion it commanded in June 2021. Ledger's plans suggest that despite the onset of depressed conditions in the crypto market in recent months, there are areas of the industry for whom the immediate outlook looks positive, such as in hardware wallets. Ledger has 4 million customers to date, according to its website. Well, those were the top trending stories. Keep watching 3.0 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.